When you get a new machine, please make calibration. You have to use H-on66 key blank to make calibration. Enter setting, clamp option, 2 clamps. Clamp B is latest clamp. Clamp option. Calibration, setting, calibration. These pictures, how to install the key depend upon the picture. 3D animation. And then, confirm. At first, open the left groove by hand wheel. If the width of groove is suitable. If not suitable, turn the groove wider and then install the key on it. The tip has to align with the first line. If fixed in the right place, then tighten the clamp by hand wheel. If all is ready, please tap to confirm. It's very important here. Don't remove the key, just clean the particles of the surface of the clamp. If cleaning is ready, tap the next on the application. After cutting, the machine cutter will have a right position. When all is finished, please remove the key from the clamp.